Understanding shaping a spout in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, shaping a spout. This phrase is not just about pottery or crafts. It's a metaphor rich in meaning. So, let's dive in and unravel its nuances together. Shaping a spout literally refers to the process of creating the spout of a container, like a teapot or a jug. A spout is the part through which liquid is poured out. In pottery, shaping a spout requires skill and attention, as it involves molding, adjusting, and refining the clay to create a functional and aesthetically pleasing outlet. Metaphorically, shaping a spout can be used to describe the process of developing or refining an idea, plan, or skill. Just like the careful crafting of a spout, this phrase can symbolize the attention and effort put into honing something to perfection. It emphasizes the idea of careful crafting and attention to detail. In everyday English, you might hear this phrase in contexts like business, education, or personal development. For example, a teacher might say, "We are shaping the spouts of young minds," implying they are carefully guiding and molding their students' thoughts and ideas. This phrase might appear in literature or speeches to convey the idea of meticulous development. It's a vivid image that helps the audience visualize the process of creating something with precision and care. Shaping a spout is more than just a phrase about pottery. It's a powerful metaphor for the careful and skilled development of ideas, plans, or abilities. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the depth of this phrase in English. Thank you for watching, and keep shaping your language skills with us.